Welcome to day 1 of Nutric Food Show Ramzan Meal Plan. Subscribe our YouTube channel. Replenish your energy levels by a healthy and balanced diet. Boosts your immunity. Always wake up for Sehri on time. Use following meal items for Sehri: 1 glass milk, 2 brown bread toasts with banana slices, 2 hard-boiled egg whites scrambled with black pepper.
وبصوم غد نويت من شهر رمضان. الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Consume following meal items for Iftar: 3 dates, 1 glass fresh juice, 1 medium cucumber, 1 chicken samosa.
اللهم إني لك صمت وبك آمنت وعليك توكلت وعلى رزقك أفطرت. الله أكبر الله أكبر.
Meal items for dinner: 2 chicken chapli kebab, half bowl green vegetable salad including cucumber, capsicum, green beans and mint, half whole wheat roti. Exercise for first day:
Do 10 push-ups
and do 30 minutes walk. Don't forget to like, share, comment this video and subscribe our channel.